This 2023 Coachmen Sportscoach SRS 376 ES is a Class A RV. It is located in Nokomis, Florida, 34275 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Nokomis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2023 Coachmen Sportscoach SRS 376 ES is built on a Straight Rail Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.